For any triangle ABC, we need to show that 1 minus the product of tangent of B over 2 and tangent of C over 2 that equals to A over S. Let us begin. But before that, let's try to understand few terminologies and the formulas that we'll be using to solve this particular problem. So here we have a triangle ABC. The sides opposite to the angles A, B and C are represented by the letters A, B and C in lowercase respectively. Now here, if we take the sum of the sides, that's going to give us the perimeter of the triangle. If we take half of the perimeter, this is going to give us the semi-perimeter of the same triangle ABC, and it's denoted by the letter S in lowercase. And also we have formula, the half angle formula for tangent of A over 2, tangent of B over 2 and tangent of C over 2. We're going to use the second and the third formula. Let's start the problem from the left hand side. So here on the left hand side we have 1 minus tangent of the angle B over 2 multiplied to tangent of the angle C over 2. So let's use the value. So we have 1 minus the tangent of B over 2. This can be replaced with the square root of S minus A times S minus C divided by S multiplied to S minus B. This is going to get multiplied to tangent of C over 2, which is given by S minus A times S minus B divided by S times S minus C. Now we will get 1 minus, we're going to combine the second term. So here we have square root. Underneath the square root, we'll start with the numerator. We have S minus A multiplied to S minus C. That gets multiplied to S minus A times S minus B whole divided by, and we have in the denominator S squared. The S squared will get multiplied to S minus B times S minus C. We can factor out the common term. So here we can factor out S minus C from the numerator and the denominator, and also S minus B from the numerator and the denominator. This is going to now leave us with 1 minus the square root of, so in the numerator we have S minus A whole squared divided by S squared in the denominator. Now since both the numerator and the denominator are perfect square, we're going to get S minus A divided by S. So let's combine the two terms. So we have S in the denominator. In the numerator we have S minus of S minus A. So that gives us A over S, which is going to be the expression on the right hand side. So we have solved the problem.